Alright, so we're taking the headlights out of the TJ and replacing them with some cool LEDs. So first part, you gotta take off this ring, which is the Torx bit. These are the adjustment points once we get them in. And take a look. Alright, so here are the headlights. Got them from LED Factory Mart. Some instructions. So they should be plug and play for the lights, and then we'll have to hook the halos up to the turn signals. Let's see if I can get one out. So there, I think they're gonna look pretty good. So we'll start getting to take it apart. All right, we got the headlight out. Just a few screws, Torx, T10. So the headlights plug and play, and it just plugs in there. Have to run the halo ring to the blinker. So we're looking for the hot in the ground now. All right, so if you remove the glove box, there is your fuse panel. So we're gonna use the radio one so the halos light up when the vehicle's on. So we're spool of wire, tap into this, run it through. So fast forward several hours, you see that piece is in there and it fits. You have to, there's no directions with this line here and the little piece, but you have to have, there's 2 spots for fuses. You have to have fuses in each spot. It doesn't tell you that, and it comes with only 1 10 amp. So we had to make do. But anyway, got it in and working, and then could not tap it into this front blinker, so we tapped it into the side marker and it works perfect. So not sure why I kept failing when trying to get it in there, but anyway, yeah, so installed. They look good. We'll see how they function. So everything works the way it's supposed to, so I'm hoping he's going to be satisfied with his Christmas present. So thanks. Once again, got these from LED Factory Mart, and they seem to be pretty decent so far. Still probably going to have to adjust them some. I'm going to take it out, write it. If you have to adjust it, it's the same Torx bit, but it goes in these, there's notches cut out for where the 3 spots where you can adjust them. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.